First, we'll start with a basic HTML element. Elements always start with the opening caret. Then we'll define the tag. For instance, let's say we're defining a paragraph tag. So here we have our tag. Next, we'll define any attributes that go on this HTML element. Attributes define information about the element itself. This is the type of element it is, and then attributes will define any other information that the element needs. For instance, let's add a class to our paragraph. Inside of the caret, we'll add a space, and then we'll add the attribute name. Here's the attribute name. Next, we'll add an equals, which represents assignment, to a value. We'll wrap the value in quotes, and we'll set it to my class. We'll end the quotes, and we're done setting the value. We'll end our start tag by adding another caret at the end. So our basic tag is complete. We have the start tag done. We'll still need to do the content and the end tag. We define what the element is going to be, our paragraph tag. Then we'll define any attributes we need. They'll be space separated and all within the start and end caret for our start tag. We'll define them as attribute names. We'll use the assignment operator, and then we'll give them a value wrapped in quotes. Next, we'll add some content. Now that we have our start and end tag, we'll add the content within that tag. Here we've defined the content within our tag. Finally, we need to tell the browser that we're done defining this paragraph. So we need to add an end tag. Once again, we'll start with the HTML caret, and to define that this is the end of our paragraph, we'll use a / and then the same tag name that we used. Since end tags don't need any attributes, all the attributes go on our start tag, we'll simply close our end tag. So here we have our start tag and our end tag. Our element type is a paragraph, so we've ended our paragraph here. We've defined an attribute with an attribute name of class and assigned it the value of the string my class by wrapping it in quotes. Next, we've defined some content within, and we've added our end tag. This entire piece is all an element. So So let's see what this looks like without the labels in here. So big white space gaps aside, we have a basic HTML element.